In this video, I'll show you how to pin your favorite channels or categories in the Hot IPTV app on a Samsung Smart TV. This is a very useful feature, especially if you have a large playlist with many channels and want to make navigation faster and easier. So, let's get started. First, open the Hot IPTV app on your Samsung Smart TV and go to the main screen. From here, we need to access the application settings. Go to Settings and look for the option called Pin Categories. Click on it, and you will see a list of the available categories in your playlist. Now, simply select the categories that you want to pin to the top of your list. You can choose one category, several categories, or as many as you need. Select the categories that you use most often or that you want to access quickly. As you can see, every time you select a category, the number of selected categories is displayed on the screen. This makes it easy to keep track of your selection. If you accidentally select a category that you don't want, simply select it again to remove it from your selection. Once you have finished choosing your categories, click Close. And as you can see, the number of categories we selected is now clearly displayed. This feature is especially useful when you have a large playlist. Instead of scrolling through a long list every time, you can keep the categories you use most often at the top for easier access. Now let's see how you can add specific channels to your favorites list. If you want to add your favorite channels, select the Add to Favorites option. From here, you can choose the channels you want to add. You can select a few channels, several channels, or all the channels you regularly watch. Once you have finished making your selection, simply click Save Favorites. Now let's return to the main menu and open the Favorites section at the top of the list. As you can see, the channels we selected are now available in our favorites list. This makes it much easier to access the channels you watch most often without having to search through the entire playlist. And if you want to add more channels later, you can simply repeat the same steps, select the additional channels, and save your favorites again. So, if you have a large playlist with many channels, this feature can save you a lot of time and make the Hot IPTV app much more convenient to use. You can organize your categories and keep your preferred channels in one easy-to-access location. If you are looking for additional TV channels, movies, or TV series, the content available through your playlist depends on the service or provider you use and the rights they have to distribute that content. Always make sure that the content you access is legally provided and authorized for your region. For information about our available services and supported content, you can contact us using the details shown on the screen or through the contact link provided in the first comment. If you need help with the application, playlist setup, or general technical assistance, you can also contact us through WhatsApp using the contact information shown on the screen. And that's it for this tutorial. You now know how to pin your favorite categories and add your preferred channels to the favorites list in Hot IPTV on a Samsung Smart TV. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smart TV tutorials, app guides, and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.